Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have an epic plate of pasta with tomato sauce. I'm going to get into it because I think it's already gone a bit cold. So hungry, guys. Let's give you a first bite. There we go. Let's have a bite. Keeps moving. This is so amazing, guys. Oh yes. This is gorgeous. So this pasta is whole wheat pasta. And there's tomato, it's actually pancetta and tomato sauce with another kind of, with some chopped tomatoes in there as well. So it's a very plain pasta. Not plain, but just not a lot going on, but that's what I like. Nice and simple. It's my mammoth bite. Yummy. Oh, I haven't got a drink, guys. 1 second. To drink, guys, I've just got some Fiji water. So thirsty. So how's everyone been today on this amazing day? It's so bloody hot. It's such a warm day. I feel like I'm going to struggle with this fork. Yum. I also buttered the pasta so it wouldn't dry out. This is so nice, guys. Have another bite. Yum. I just love comforting food, especially when it's, well, now it's getting a bit darker, but earlier on it was really, really good, really nice weather. I just don't think weather in Britain can ever make its mind up. It's just always a nightmare. Yum. It seems a lot easier to eat this pasta than the other one I did. You know, the meat sauce one? I don't know why. So good. Oh. So I hope everyone is okay today. I'm so hungry. Just twiddle it. That's what I need to do. So good. Oh, guys, I've not even shown you my nails, have I? I'm so into this food. These are my brand new nails. How amazing are they? Just incredible. So I got, obviously the same shape as before, which is square. But I was looking, you know, it's taking so long to find some nail colours that I like. It's terrible. I'm the worst person ever. So indecisive. I don't think they're like me, like, you know, the people that do your nails. I don't think they're like the fact that you take a while to decide. Oh God, it's getting messy, guys. But it's not my fault, you know. It's quite a big choice, because you have to live with it. But I think I've chosen the right colour. I really like them. And they look really nice. I love the kind of mint green and pastel kind of violet. I love it. I'm devouring this, aren't I, guys? Oh, look at that. Have that bite, guys. Go on. Open up. Mmm. Yum, yum, yum. Can you believe I'm getting full already? Well, I've eaten quite a lot. This salt really helps. It really helps. So, guys, have you seen Nick's new video on YouTube? He's done a £15 lobster. I can't actually believe it. I would love to try something like that, but I just don't like shellfish. Well, I don't, but seafood, like, even the thought of it makes me feel sick. I just don't like it. Do you know, I really could be a vegetarian, because apart from... Do vegetarians eat cheese? I don't think they do they? That's vegans, isn't it, that don't eat cheese? Apart from chicken, guys, I don't really eat a lot of meat, if I'm honest. I really don't. Look at that pathetic tiny morsel that I just picked up when I was like twiddling for about 10 minutes. I'm not done bad, guys, have I? Let's be honest. I'm getting ready for now. I think I said on my... I told you on my other video that I'm going to put out. I don't know if I'm going to put it before this or before the... I don't know if I'm going to put it before this or not, but my sit-down video, that I've got a brand new backdrop. I can't wait for it to arrive. I really can't. It's going to be so exciting. It's going to be the best. Oh, I'm getting full now. I've done really well. I'm quite surprised. I just had to move the camera a bit, because it's like facing the wall. I'm getting really full now. Oh, my stomach. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Can you hear that noise that it's making? Oh, I'm full. I've eaten a lot. Quite a short space of time as well. So, what would you like to see from me do next? It's really difficult when you do mukbangs, because you think that you've done a lot of foods, but you really haven't. There's so many out there, but it's like mental brain block sometimes. It's really difficult to keep thinking of ideas. So I'd love you guys to tell me some ideas. I really, really would. It'd be so great. Oh, God, let's have just one more bite and then stomach's starting to hurt. This is whole wheat pasta, by the way, guys, in case you didn't know. Oh, that's it, guys. I can't do any more. Oh. But yeah, I'm glad you enjoyed this new setup, but there will be a brand new one coming up after. Whoop, whoop. I think so anyway, unless it doesn't arrive, which knowing me, it probably won't arrive. But thank you so much for watching my video. Please let me know what you think of it. What's your favourite pasta dish? I'm going to do fettuccine Alfredo as well. I've had a few requests for that, so I'm going to do that. And yeah, I hope everyone has an amazing rest of the day wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.